to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2013 on a 13 registered wheelchair adapted VW CADDY MAXI Life TDI 1.6 with a TBC conversion. TBC are based in Ireland, although it's a UK registered vehicle. As you will see, direct from Motability is in grade A condition. This is the DSG gearbox, 7-speed, unlike the earlier 1.9 models which only had a 6-speed gearbox. This one gives you better MPG, better than the manuals, and very popular at the moment. It's so popular that we can't get enough of these, so as soon as they're coming in they're virtually going out. Comes with alloy wheels, air conditioning, electric windows, electric mirrors, heated, all the things that you need in a wheelchair adapted vehicle. Got the bi-folding ramp, standard 4-point securing for the wheelchair or scooter. Most TBC conversions, a full-size spare wheel. See, plenty of overhead storage there, plenty of space in these VW CADDY Maxis. We try and carry as many in stock as we can. We are quite low at the moment, so grab them while they're hot. Suitable for mobility users and taxi drivers alike. There's the stage 2 plate on it for those taxi drivers, for your council, exporting to Ireland, Cyprus, Malta. We're getting very well known now. We're one of the major suppliers of vehicles with wheelchair access due to the quality that we sell, our exceptional customer service and the choice of vehicles. Just under 24,000 miles. See, grade A condition, very little wear. Part exchange your vehicle, we take any vehicle in part exchange. Doesn't have to be wheelchair adapted. And offer finance, everything you need, free delivery, home viewings, the whole lot. Just give us a call on 01634 716 911. Visit our website www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk, or you can just come along in person. Always best to make an appointment. Our showroom or forecourt is at Cooley Road Service Station, ME2 4RL.